truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Welcome, everybody. This is TD Terry, More Than Just Orchids. And I got a box yesterday, and this is a prime example of paying to be patient. Now, this is from LOC, John, and Louisiana Orchid Connection. And I love Orchids, as you know, and they do their own hybridization and do their own flasking, and they will often release them on eBay in that state. If you buy them on eBay, they do have their own website, in which they sell pretty much the same as eBay, but it's difficult for me to jump on, as much as I like Orchids, to jump on a 6-pack or a seedling that is just out of the flask. It pays sometimes to just keep your eye on it, even if it takes years from when they first are shown to when they become big enough to where you want to buy it. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but in this case, I think it did. So I just got this yesterday, as I said, and this is Angraecum Birmense times Jeremiah. So Jeremiah, that is a synonym for Germaniane, I believe, which is a variety of the Angraecum eburnum. And I do have that. I do not have the Birmense anymore. It perished, and so I am in the process of getting another one. That's another story. Much better view of it. You can see the roots. The aerial roots coming out. Now, this is one of the parents, which is, I know I don't have the tag, it's not in the plant. It might be, but it's buried, and that is my Gemini. See how big it is? Putting up a new leaf. And this, believe it or not, is a lung-sized kiki. Wish I had a Birmense to show you, but I don't. But Birmense has a big, fat stem, vining type, as opposed to eburnum, which the leaves sort of are closer together. This is more spaced apart. So that is the characteristic of Birmense, more of a vining type as opposed to more of a Vanda type. They're both vandaceous. Okay. So this is eburnum, Angraecum eburnum. Plants large, long leaves, often spaced several close together. Succulent or roots are close together. Leaves succulent and leathery, as you saw. Flowers large green. It's an epiphytic orchid, flowering September to June, so on and so forth. And subspecies, here we go. Jeremiah, lips slightly wider than long. Epiphytic or lithophytic Flowers July to September, Kenya and Tanzania. Okay. So, there we go. Okay, and we come to the section Iraq, named Iraq and Rackham. Long stems bearing alternate leaves. Inflorescence arise above the leaf axil. Medium-sized to large flowers have a large white lip that is sometimes held on the upper side of the flower, more or less by or more or less orbicular in shape. And here is Angraecum virescens. There's the flower. Very similar to, as I've said before, Iclavianum and Infundibulare. But virescens, long stems, upright at first and pendant. Numerous aerial roots, inflorescence, single flowered or two flowers produced successively. Flowers are large. I'm not sure if there's some fragrance to these flowers. Epiphytic and humid forest. Well shaded positions low down on the trees. That is the largest flowering one out of the three. So, because it is a hybrid, you see this is definitely virescens. It should have qualities from both parentages, so it possibly will have fragrant, non-resupplement flowers, possibly, that will come out on the axils, perhaps maybe a longer inflorescence than just a short inflorescence with one flower. Perhaps it'll be a longer. It should be interesting, and we will see together. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your orchids. Bye.